Hi, Adam Doran here to teach you about calculating net operating income on residential investment properties. So the starting point for calculating net operating income is your gross monthly rents. And just to clarify, net operating income, when investors usually talk about it or they use the acronym NOI, we're talking about on an annual basis. But we start our calculations on a monthly basis. That just keeps things simple. So we look at monthly rent, and then from that number we subtract kind of a standardized set of expenses. And so most residential investors are going to understand that you'll be deducting the taxes, the monthly taxes from the rent, the monthly insurance, the monthly management fees, any kind of maintenance allowance that you like to set aside, for a pool of money to cover any maintenance or incidentals. And then also a lot of investors like to allow for vacancy. And the industry standard for allowing for vacancy is usually about 5%. Sometimes people will say 5 to 7%. And then on management too, I should have mentioned the standard expectation on management is that it's 8 to 10% of gross rents. So you take your gross rent monthly minus those expenses we just itemized, and that comes out with your net monthly rent. Once you have your net monthly rent figure, take that times 12, because there's 12 months in a year, and you'll have your net operating income, NOI. How much money on a yearly basis does that property produce? And that's your NOI, your net operating income. So that's how you calculate it. That's the standardized formula. Any investor that's dealing with residential investment properties, that's 1 to 4 units, that's how you do the math on that, and that's a pretty standard understanding amongst residential investors. So thank you for taking time to watch the video. If you found value in it, please share it on social media, and let's create a community of educated professional real estate investors. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next video.